how to find call alerts notifications on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller, and once you're here click on your profile, and now just click the settings icon here, and then click calling and scroll down, and here we'll find call alert notifications. And that's it. Now just you can disable it or enable it, it's easy. And that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.